Have you ever stopped to wonder how the coins jingling in your pocket are made? It's a question that might have crossed your mind as you fished out change for your morning coffee or paid for a parking meter. Coins, these small metallic pieces, are a significant part of our daily transactions, yet their creation remains a mystery to most. So, how does a plain piece of metal transform into a shiny coin? Well, today we are going to unravel the fascinating process behind coin production. Before we delve into the process, it's worth noting the historical significance of coin making. Coins have been a part of human civilization for a long time. They can trace their origins back to ancient Lydia, now part of modern-day Turkey, around the 7th century BC. Initially, they were made from a mix of gold and silver called electrum. The Lydians stamped these early coins with pictures to guarantee their weight and value. As societies evolved, so did the coin-making process. The Greeks introduced more intricate designs, the Romans started minting on a massive scale, and the Middle Ages brought about the use of precious metals. Fast forward to today, coin making is a blend of art and technology, maintaining the tradition while incorporating modern advancements. Coins aren't just currency, they're tiny capsules of our history and culture. Now that we have a bit of background, let's dive into the intricate process of coin making. The first step in the process is the design of the coin. This is where the magic begins, where the blank canvas of the coin starts to take form. It's not just about creating a piece of currency, it's about crafting a work of art, a symbol of national pride that will be carried in the pockets of millions. Every coin begins with an idea, a concept. This concept could center around a national symbol, a historical figure, or a special event. The task of turning this concept into a tangible design falls on the skilled shoulders of artists and engravers. These artists are not just skilled in the craft of design but also in the art of storytelling. With each coin they aim to tell a story, capture a moment in history, or evoke a sense of national identity. In the United States, for example, the design process is often a collaborative effort involving the United States Mint, the Secretary of the Treasury, and various advisory committees. They work together to ensure that each coin design is emblematic of our nation's history and values. Once the concept is settled, the artists get to work, meticulously crafting the design. This involves sketching, refining, and perfecting every minute detail. From the contours of a historical figure's face to the intricate lines of a national symbol, every element is considered and reconsidered until it's just right. But the design process is not just about aesthetics. Practical considerations also come into play. The design must be suitable for mass production and must stand up to years of wear and tear. It's a delicate balance between beauty and durability, art and utility. Once the design is complete, it's reviewed and refined further, often going through several iterations before it's finally approved. And this approval process isn't a walk in the park. It involves careful scrutiny by several parties, all of whom must agree that the design is not only beautiful, but also representative of the nation's identity and values. After the design is approved, it's time for the next step, making the dies. The journey of a coin's creation is far from over, but the foundation has been laid, the blueprint has been drawn. The coin's journey from concept to currency continues. The dies are essentially the molds that give coins their distinct features. This statement rings true in the world of coin minting. Now let's delve into the magic of how these dies are created. Creating the dies is an art in itself. It starts with a design, meticulously crafted and approved in the previous stage. This design is then transferred onto a pair of hardened steel rods, which will form our dies. The hardened steel ensures durability and longevity, as one pair of dies can strike tens of thousands of coins. In this process, one rod is destined to form the obverse die, which is the front face of the coin. This face typically features a portrait or emblem, which could be a national figure, a mythological creature, or a symbol of cultural significance. The design for the obverse is engraved onto the steel rod, an operation that demands precision and an unerring hand. The other rod is sculpted into the reverse die, which shapes the back of the coin. The reverse often displays a different design, sometimes a coat of arms, a national emblem, or a momentous event. Like its obverse counterpart, the reverse die is also carefully engraved, embodying the design into the hardened steel. The engraving of these dies is not just a manual task. It involves a blend of traditional craftsmanship and modern technology. The initial engraving is done using a machine that traces the design and carves it onto the steel. Once the basic shape is achieved, skilled artisans step in. They refine the engraving, using fine tools to ensure every detail, every line, and every contour is perfect. When both the obverse and reverse dies are finished, they are polished and prepared for the next stage. The final result is a pair of dies that are a work of art themselves, ready to imprint their design onto blank coins. Creating dies is a blend of artistry, precision, and technology. It's a testament to the intricacy and dedication that goes into producing every single coin. With the dies ready, we move on to the next step, striking the coins. The actual creation of the coin takes place in the striking process. Now we've reached the point where the magic truly happens. The blank metal discs, also known as planchets, are fed into a coin press. This machine is quite impressive, capable of exerting thousands of pounds of pressure. Each planchet is placed precisely between two dies. These are the very same dies we discussed earlier, crafted with meticulous care to carry the coin's design. The dies are essentially hardened steel stamps, each one carrying either the obverse or reverse design of the coin. Once the planchets are nestled securely between the dies, the coin press springs into action. With a swift, powerful motion, the press brings the dies together with immense force. This is the moment of transformation. The blank, featureless planchet is suddenly imprinted with the intricate designs from the dies. The force of the press is so great that the metal actually flows into the cavities of the dies, taking on every detail, every line, every dot of the design. The result is a newly minted coin, gleaming and detailed, a testament to the artistry and precision that went into its creation. But it doesn't stop there. Each coin is struck not once but multiple times. This ensures that the design is fully and clearly impressed upon the metal, leaving no detail unaccounted for. This process might seem simple, but it requires a delicate balance. Too little pressure, and the design won't be fully imprinted. Too much, and the coin could be damaged or the dies could wear out prematurely. It's a dance of precision and power, carried out thousands, even millions of times a day in mints around the world, and that's how coins are struck. From a simple blank disc to a beautifully detailed coin, the striking process is truly a marvel of modern manufacturing. But the journey doesn't end there. After striking, there's one final step left: inspection and distribution. The final step ensures that only high-quality coins reach your pocket. It's a process that's as meticulous as it is fascinating. Every coin minted undergoes a thorough inspection to ensure it meets the exacting standards of quality and design. This isn't a job for the faint-hearted. It's a task for keen eyes and steady hands. The inspection process begins with a visual examination. Inspectors look for any imperfections or irregularities in the coins. They scrutinize each coin's design, its edges, and even its weight. Any coin that doesn't meet the mark is quickly removed from the line, ensuring only the best make it through. But this isn't just a manual process. In the age of technology, automated machines lend a helping hand. These machines use cameras and sensors to detect even the smallest of defects. They can inspect thousands of coins in a minute, with an accuracy that's nothing short of remarkable. Once the coins pass inspection, they're ready for the next stage: counting and bagging. Here, another set of machines comes into play. These machines count the coins, separating them into predetermined amounts. Each batch is then bagged, ready for distribution. It's a swift, efficient process that ensures the correct number of coins are in each bag. Finally, the bags are sealed and loaded onto trucks. These trucks then set off on their journey, delivering the coins to banks across the country. It's a journey that sees the coins travel from the mint to the banks, and finally into your pocket. This entire process, from inspection to distribution, is meticulously planned and executed. It's a testament to the dedication and precision of those who work in the mint. They ensure that every coin you come across is a product of skill, craftsmanship, and technological prowess. And there you have it, the journey of a coin from design to distribution. It's a journey that's as fascinating as it is complex, and one that results in the coins you use every day. So next time you jingle those coins, remember the intricate process that brought them to life. From the initial design, to the creation of dies, the striking, and finally, the rigorous inspection and distribution. Each coin is a piece of art with a rich historical narrative. These tiny metallic discs are not just currency, they're reflections of our culture, our history, and our craftsmanship. Thank you for joining us on this journey of coin making. Don't forget to subscribe for more fascinating insights.